Alright, so for today we're gonna talk about left and right hand independence, but it really is just one movement, okay? Of course, you have to master your right hand first by playing 5-finger scales and mastering a chord, C chord, and different fingers, combination of fingers, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, going up and down. And then left hand, same thing also. Right? 5-finger scale. And then mastering each finger combination. So it's usually a skip at 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5, 2 and 4, going back and forth. And then together also. So you play them together. Together. Once you get that right, now we're going to play the hand coordination or independence. That's what they call it. First, it's rhythm. Think of rhythm like playing the drums. If you're having trouble, synchronizing, just play your left hand chord or one note, C. We're going to use 4/4 time. You have to count also. Now this is the important part. You don't get lazy counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, you got that? Once you get every first beat, you're gonna add maybe a note here on the right hand. I'll take C so you can hear the difference. This is I'll take E on the right hand. I'm just playing bass C on the left hand. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Every one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1. You start there, okay? And then add chords here now. If you can play a chord, C major chord, same idea. Every one, every first beat. Play an E here on the right hand. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after that, let's play two notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, and then C, 2, 3, 4, while playing your chord on the left hand, okay? So here we go, 4, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I was stepping on the pedal because I'm just playing a C chord. It doesn't matter. You can hold that foot sustain pedal. Okay, and then if you get that right, we can make it faster. Those are whole notes, by the way, on the right hand. We can make it half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to play it again. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you're starting to get an idea of how it works, right? It's really counting and synchronizing. But it's not like I have a separate brain for my left hand and a separate brain for my right hand. It's just coordinating both hands. Just like, walking or using your hands in everyday chores. It's the same thing, okay? Just coordination. So what you can do with your left hand and right hand, you have to do mirror. So if you play chords on the right hand, I'm gonna skip now to chords, okay? But you can do the same step process with your left hand and right hand, one note at a time. But now we're gonna skip for now. We're gonna play C chord on the right hand, and you're gonna play an E here, a whole note, every first beat. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. See, okay, we're gonna do the same thing now. E, whole note, C whole note, 4 counts each. Ready? 4, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, oh, sorry, it's inverted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I'm exaggerating my hand movement so you can see exactly what's happening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now half notes now. Ready? And 4, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then now we're gonna play quarter notes. Let's go back to the beginning. We're left hand playing chords. We're gonna play quarter notes here. We're gonna play a C chord also. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's C, E, G, C. Fingers 1, 3, 5, 3. So practice only right hand for now, just to prepare. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see me, you can see how I'm moving it. I'm just exaggerating so you can see the movement, okay? So that's what you need to work on. Let's practice now. In 4, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do it on the left hand now. These are chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand are still the same notes of the chords, but one at a time. It's called broken chord, okay, or arpeggio. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Start with this exercise, and then you'll feel a difference. The awareness of your hands and how to think of it, and the rhythm. You'll begin to think more of counting, how it works. Okay, and synchronizing both hands. So hope this helps you out. We're gonna talk about more on the rhythm and hand independence on our next video, so watch out for it. Okay, good luck.